Hi, my name is Dr. Brad Jacobs, and I'm going to speak to you today about the advantages of a plant-based diet. There's been lots of literature and lots of news media coverage discussing the advantages of plant-based diets, as well as the advantages of many other diets, whether it's the paleo diet, the Atkins diet, and the list goes on. But really today, I just want to focus on what are the advantages of eating lots of vegetables in the course of your day. If you look at the literature, the science shows really across the board, whether it's Alzheimer's, heart disease, stroke risk, even cancer, that you reduce your risk of developing or having a recurrence of any of those sorts of health effects if you're eating more vegetables than less. And the reason is that there are plentiful phytonutrients in these plants and vegetables, and there's a huge quantity of fiber in these plants and vegetables. And combined, these give you very positive benefits across multiple different pathways, which I'll come back to in a moment. What I find most interesting is if you take a group of active smokers smoking cigarettes, if they actually eat more fruits and vegetables, it's been shown that their chance of getting lung cancer is actually decreased. One study showed that a 30% reduction in lung cancer occurred amongst those people that ate more than 5 servings of vegetables per day. So what is a serving of vegetables? It's roughly the size of the palm of your hand, or if you were to make a fist, that would be a serving size of a vegetable. And how can you get that in the course of your day? If you have a large salad for lunch, for example, odds are that you have anywhere from 3 to 5 servings just in that one meal alone. What I recommend people do is think about their lunch and dinners as a time to fill their plate with vegetables. At least half your plate should be covered with vegetables during lunch and dinner. And you're sure to cover that minimum requirement of 5 to 7 servings of vegetables a day. If you look at the pathways, thinking about why this might work, it has very potent anti-inflammatory effects when you're eating the deep pigmented vegetables, for example, and it has very potent antioxidant effects. Combined, we found that this actually improves the body's overall system of health, causing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects throughout the body, reducing your risk of, for example, acute plaque rupture, which might cause, for example, a heart attack or stroke. I'd like to just come back for one moment and talk about what do you do if you can't get enough vegetables in your day. There's a range of sources out there nowadays. I do recommend folks think about going to the Environmental Working Group website, which will list those vegetables that have high pesticide residues and those that have low pesticide residues. Those that have high pesticide residues, for example, you want to be eating organic. Those that have low pesticide residues, you can go ahead and eat those that aren't organic. If you can't manage to get those vegetables in the course of your day, there are powdered forms of where you can get plant-based sources of protein and overall super greens that you can add into, for example, a smoothie or even into water. That'd be a nice way to supplement your vegetable content through the day.